We're staying in our moredimensioning.dwg file. And you can see we've left the dimensions as they were at the end of the last video. What we're going to do now is have a look at what they call automatic dimensioning, or just the dimension command. Now, what's really neat about this dimension command is you can dimension lots of different ways. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a little bit of housekeeping. We're going to clear these two dimensions here first, like so. We'll leave the baseline dimensions in between grids 2 and 3. We're then going to zoom in on this door opening right in the left-hand corner. Zoom in nice and tight. Now, these door openings are quite clever because you've got the door swing, and this square stroke rectangular bit here is showing you the space that needs to remain clear around the door opening. So we might want to dimension that perhaps in our drawing so that people know, perhaps if they're marking the floor, the sizes of the markings that need to be made. So we'll stay in the Annotate tab on the ribbon. We'll use the Dimensions panel. Make sure that your dim layer override is still using the A010D_dim layer. And we're going to utilize this command here, Dimension. So we just click on Dimension and come into the drawing area. Now, what I love about this command is I can right-click and I can specify what type of dimension, what layer I want it to go on. I can align it and so on. Now, I'm just going to press Escape once, so I'm back in the command. So if I now just hover here, can you see when I start hovering around, I get a pick box. And that pick box uses the current dimension style. So I click once, and as I come upwards, the extension lines appear, click again, and I've now dimensioned that area that is required for the door opening. If I hover there on the arc, and again, just move around gently, you'll see the pick box appear. So I click again, and I can place the radius of the door opening as well. It's that quick and easy, and I don't have to then keep going up to the drop down up here in the dimensions panel to get the different types of dimensions. So if you're on a dimensioning kick and you want to dimension lots of things in your drawing, use this dimension command. It allows you to work very quickly and easily with dimensions in your AutoCAD drawing. So let's do one more. I'll right click now, and I might want to do, let's say, an angular dimension. So I just click and I can select arc, circle, or line. So let's find somewhere where there's an angle. Now I'm just going to come down here. It's nice and easy. And I'm going to click here and just come in this way. And there's my 90-degree angle as I come across. Now I could just pan slightly and come out this way. And I'm going to place the 90-degree angle there like so. Now, I wouldn't normally place a 90-degree angle there, but can you see how quick and easy it is? I'm using one command, one right click, and getting the shortcut menu, and I'm dimensioning all the different dimension types in my AutoCAD drawing. When you're done, you just press Enter to finish. I'm actually going to delete that 90 degrees now because it looks a bit messy, and just zoom out slightly. And you can see how quick and easy it is to annotate your drawing using the dimension command as well as your regular dimensions in your AutoCAD drawings.